Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn a new proverb. Two's company, but three's a crowd. It means that a third person can feel unwanted or make a situation awkward when two people are enjoying each other's company. For example, if a couple is having a romantic dinner and a friend unexpectedly joins them, it might ruin the mood. This proverb reminds us that some moments are best shared between just two people. Now let's listen to one beautiful conversation using this interesting proverb.
Hey, how did your date with Nari go the other night?
Well, everything started out fine, but just as we were getting into a serious conversation about our future plans, Bob came barging in and totally interrupted us.
What a pain. Two's company, but three's a crowd.
You said it. I wanted to pull him aside and tell him that Nari and I were having an important conversation and that he was kind of intruding. But then I thought about how few friends he has since he's new in town, and I decided to just let it go.
Yeah, that makes sense. But did you ever get back to your conversation?
Yeah, luckily, we were able to pick it up again after Bob left.
I said, fine, two's company, three's a sandwich.
I mean, you know what they say. Two's company, but three's a crowd.
I've got a date with a lady in a few minutes, and you know the old saying, two's company and five's a crowd.
There's an old saying, two's company and three's a crowd.
Two's company, three's a crowd.
Two's company, three's a crowd.
Two's company, three's a nightmare.
Well, as the old saying goes, two's company and three's a crowd.
Who was it that said two's company, three's a crowd?